Hey guys, late last minute packing like always. Headed for a quick trip to Seattle for 4 nights, and I'm bringing 4 bags. This whole suitcase is going empty, and this is going in there empty. This will be my carry-on and my personal item. I plan to be getting a lot of stuff in Seattle, and we'll fill that big suitcase up. But the clothes that I'm bringing for the couple days I'm going, I put in these packing cubes, and I got these back in 2016 when I went to Europe for a month, and I love them. It helped keep everything organized when I was changing countries every couple days, which goes into my e-bags, which I love also. I also got this for a month in Europe, and I basically only used this bag the whole time, and it worked out great. Yeah, I'm gonna finish trying to pack and get to bed because I got a bright and early flight tomorrow. My first travel vlog, yay! Also just got my Chacos, and I'm gonna test them out on this trip for the first time, and I will let you know how they fare. They seem so comfy so far, so I'm excited to test them out. Well, I made it to the airport in Sitka. It's 5-something in the morning. I didn't get a chance to do my makeup this morning. I am headed to Seattle for a little adventure, mainly some shopping and getting my hair done and things that aren't easy to do here in Sitka. I hope it's a quick flight and I could sleep, and I will see you guys in Seattle. I'm so excited to be able to listen to the radio in Seattle. I love this song. So I don't think I ever really explained the main purpose of this trip. Well, one of the purposes is I'm going to Florida in 2 weeks, and I don't have any summer clothes. So I came down here to go shopping at real stores. Yesterday I was so tired I forgot to really vlog. I went to Walmart and the grocery store and Target. Today I'm in the mall, super excited. I'm gonna go to Old Navy and Ulta. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Now I'm in Walmart again. You know you're from Alaska when you're super excited to be in a real store. You have to go twice in 24 hours. So I'm just staying at an Airbnb here in Puyallup, Washington. It's like a half hour outside of Seattle. I didn't want to go shopping right in the city. I wanted stores like a mall and Kohl's and Walmart and Target, so that's why I came out here. I've stayed in plenty of Airbnbs before, all over the world, up in Alaska, all over Europe. It's my first time staying in a private room in someone's home. It was an okay experience. They have a family though, so there's kids running around and stuff, but it was an affordable price. I'll show you the place real quick, and then today I head to Roslyn, Washington. Just a simple bed. Mirror over here. We have a desk, and that's about it. It's the window to the street. It's nice and clean, at least, and comfortable. It did the job for the price. And yeah, that's it. I am so excited. I've arrived in Roslyn, Washington, which is where they filmed the show Northern Exposure, which took place in Alaska, but it was filmed here in Roslyn. And I became a huge fan of the show when I moved to Alaska about 1.5 years ago. It's about a doctor from New York who goes to Alaska to work to get his student loans paid for. And I kind of have a similar story, so I became a huge fan. Now I'm finally getting to see where it was filmed, and I'm so excited. I just arrived in my Airbnb, and I will show you around real quick. I am staying at a little Airbnb called the Spruce Moose Inn, and it is above the Bluebird Cafe. It's super cute. It's like an old building. It's just a small room, but it's really nice. And that's it for the room. We can go out here. Doctor's office, Dr. Joel Fleischman. So exciting. Here is the Roslyn Cafe sign. He used to have an S in the show. Okay guys, I'm super excited to be in the place where they filmed Northern Exposure. There's the cafe sign back there. Get a selfie. And I'm just walking around taking pictures right now of all the sites. Joel's office, the Brick, Village Pizza, that Roslyn sign. It's a really small little town. It's just this one street, but I'm very excited to be here. Most of the gift shops are closed because I got here late, but I'll have to do that in the morning. So exciting. Morning from Roslyn. Now time to go to some of the gift shops. Hopefully they're open because it's a Monday, but we'll see. Excited for my last couple hours to explore here. Okay, I'm on my way headed out of Roslyn, Washington, and I saw on TripAdvisor that one of the #1 things to do here is to visit Swiftwater wineries. So I'm a big wine fan, so I'm gonna give it a try and see how it goes. Here's the outside. It looks beautiful. I believe it's a resort and restaurant also. Looks super fancy. This place is super cute. So glad I stopped here. Doing some wine tasting outside. Living my best life. And this is a 2014 Cabernet Sauvignon. Now I made it to Snoqualmie, Washington. I'm getting my hair and nails done here. I'm in a super cute little shopping center. I'll show you. Well, I just got my hair done. I feel like it looks exactly the same $200 later. I like how she curled it, but that's about it. The color looks exactly the same. I got some balayage. I don't know. I feel like every time I get my hair cut, I'm disappointed though. So, yeah. I'll just have to deal with it for the next couple of months because that's my only choice. But yeah, now I'm headed back towards Seattle, and tomorrow I have to go back. Boo. Back at the airport. Just like that, my trip to Seattle is over. Heading back to Alaska. There's a huge line at security. Hopefully it's a quick flight. Could take a nap. Gotta work tonight. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderless day.